Hi Laura, this is a short video just to show you how geocoding works. So I go to photos.google.com and I upload a photo. I will use the photo I have uploaded previously. This is already geotagged, so I'll use a photo that I haven't geotagged yet. Let me just check. Okay, well, I can just edit it. Basically, this is an information about the photo, and these are obviously the photo details. And geotagging is adding geolocation to the image, which is you can add geotag as a state location, such as California, USA. And this will sort of pinpoint it to California. You can also narrow it down to, I believe, even street or even a district or even city, even a district. Let me just show you. So if there's a business with a location verified on Google Places, it will be shown here, so you can geotag it. Otherwise, you can add a city or the points of interest within the city. But I think with a numerous locations as you do have and you want to target, it will be much easier for us to make a progress if we stick to those 5 or 6 locations. And I will geotag the images that you currently have on the website, but you can modify the locations later on if you will be adding a new product and you want to specify the location of the specific city of the specific area. You can easily do that before adding the images to the product. Just hop on photos.google.com and you can geotag them easily. This is a free tool to use, and I'll just show you what to do after the image is geotagged. So after I geotag it, what I do, I press Shift and D, and it will download the image for me. So obviously once it's done, you need to download it, or you can share it via link, social media, or send it, and obviously add other functions as well. So this is download original without changes, rotate, add to albums. Obviously you can file them in the relevant albums in Google Photos, add to shared album as well. So this is how you easily tag geolocation. So I hope it helps.